In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell books directly on Payhip using Bookvault. If you're an author or publisher looking to have more control over your sales channel, this step-by-step guide will get you started in no time. First, you'll need to set up your Bookvault account. Bookvault is a fantastic tool for authors as it allows you to manage your book files and pricing all in one place. To get started, visit the Bookvault website and create an account. Make sure to have your book files ready to upload. You'll also want to think about how you'd like your books to be bound, as Bookvault offers various binding options for different types of books. Don't forget to set your pricing. This will be essential for your sales strategy. Once your book title is set up and ready, navigate over to the Apps section within Bookvault. It's important to keep this area in mind as it's your gateway to connecting with Payhip. Here, you'll find Payhip listed among other apps. Simply click on Setup Store to begin this exciting integration journey. Next, you'll need to connect your Payhip account to Bookvault. This integration enables seamless selling and distribution directly to your readers. Within Bookvault, you'll notice an option that says Enable Now. Clicking that will set the integration process in motion. You will then be prompted to enter your Payhip store name and URL. This connects the two platforms, making it possible for them to communicate effectively. Now, it's time to retrieve your Payhip API key. Head over to your Payhip account settings and find the Developers section. This is where your API key will be located. Copy this key and paste it into the designated area within Bookvault. With that done, Bookvault will provide you with a webhook URL. Make a note of this, as you'll need to incorporate it into your Payhip setup. To do this, navigate back to Payhip, go to the Developers tab, and paste this URL into the webhook endpoint section. This step is crucial for ensuring that the two systems can exchange information effortlessly, ensuring your book orders are processed smoothly. Finally, you'll need to link the products between Payhip and Bookvault. Back in Bookvault, look for your book title and find the cart icon. By clicking it, you'll add your book to the sales platform. Bookvault will automatically generate a product ID or SKU for you, which is necessary for identifying your book across platforms. Head over to Payhip and start creating a new physical product listing for your book. When prompted, paste the previously copied SKU into the Additional Details section under Product ID. This links your product in Payhip to your inventory in Bookvault, allowing for coordinated sales and inventory management. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll not only be selling your book directly to your audience, but also maintaining greater control over the process. Thanks for watching and happy selling.